Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with Carlos. What's your name?
My name is Carlos.
I know. I just totally kid. Okay, brother, where are you from?
I'm from Malaysia.
Okay, now you came all the way over from Malaysia. I know we had a couple of conversations before you got here.
Yes.
What'd you come over for?
Especially for the treatment. Your treatment.
Mm-hmm.
I saw your videos on the internet.
Okay.
And then I decided just to take and come over because I didn't find the treatment in Malaysia which I expected.
Okay. Can you share some of the stuff that you were going through?
Yes. I've been with a hip problems 4 years ago. I did an operation, and the operation was more or less successful. But after that, I got more and more issues with the hips. The movement, the arrangement was not well. And then I went to different chiropractors, did some rehab, but nothing worked. It got worse. And at a certain moment, I got in contact with Dr. Bergman, with you, and then we made an appointment, and then I decided to come over.
Yeah. Now, what's interesting is hip problems are rarely a hip problem. It's with everything. You got to look at the pelvis, the gait, the movement, the sleep patterns, everything. Because, even though, we're talking serious martial art training.
Yes.
Okay. Joints don't wear out. Okay. They're designed to last forever. They're built by God. So now you've been here for a couple of weeks.
Yes.
And I know you had, it's been like, can you imagine flying 10,000 miles? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What'd you experience?
My experience is in the beginning, pain.
Mm-hmm.
When I came here, pain. When I did the first treatment, still pain. Then the second treatment, improvement. And so on, and so on, and so on. Improvement, especially my legs, mobility of my legs improved. So yes, and that's what we're looking for, I'm looking for. And the approach was no medication, mm-hmm. and that is perfect. And the body does the healing, and it shows.
Okay, now when he's talking about first adjustment, second, we're doing 3 to 4 adjustments a day.
Yeah.
And brave men generally will tap out when they're smart.
I'm not.
No, you didn't tap out at all. But that's the key. Okay, when you've got a hip that's damaged, the structures around it,
yes.
protect it. So when you're breaking up those adhesions, restoring motion, stabilizing the pelvis, it's uncomfortable.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I know. Okay, it's all the way to pain. But then you got to retrain the brain, and that's the key. So anybody with a hip issue, we do cross-crawl exercises. But you, honest to God, you are a chiropractor's dream.
Oh.
When you give an exercise and you know it's uncomfortable, and you see this guy there just cranking it out,
yes.
and then afterwards, the smile on you goes ear to ear because you feel better and you move better.
It is.
Okay.
It is.
Now you came from where?
Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur. Yes.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what did you think of Tijuana? Is it safe, comfortable, dangerous, cool? What do you like?
It's cool. I didn't experience any difficulties.
And none whatsoever. Now, you also visited our clinic in Huntington Beach.
Yes.
Okay. What did you think of both places?
Yeah, I got both places. I got my treatment, so I'm not complaining. On the contrary, I'm very happy that it was able to travel into 2 places.
Yeah, and I'm kind of envious. There's a train that goes right along the coast that goes from Tijuana to close to our office in Huntington. I've never been on it. I know, I want to because it looks beautiful. So now, what would you tell people? Because this took inner strength from you.
Yeah.
It took some kind of courage or belief or something
yes.
that your body was, going to heal itself. Yeah. What can you tell somebody out there that hasn't been given that choice or hope or anything?
I will say there's always hope. The body heals, and if you give it the right ingredients, it does the work. And of course, you have to have a mentor to be able to give you those ingredients, but eventually it will heal. And I will advise everybody, if you have pain, if you have issues, don't give up. Contact Dr. Bergman.
Your body's self-healing and self-regulating. Okay, yeah. And next time, hopefully, because I'm in Thailand, like 3 times a year, hopefully I can see you over there.
Yes, hopefully.
But man, God bless you, man. Thank you
Also,
so
Dr.
much for
Bergman. Thank
making
you
it
for-
here. You're inspiring people.
Yes, thank you very much, Dr. Bergman.
Okay, take care of yourself. Your body's self-healing and self-regulating. Don't listen to people that say there's no hope, because as long as this is beaten, there's hope.
Thank you.
Yeah.